Hello, my name is Max. This is NoCodeNerd episode 32. We're talking about Memberstack today. So Memberstack is wild. We talked about a very similar tool to this a while back. I think it was Memberspace, right? Memberspace integrates really easily with a lot of different existing website tools. So does Memberstack, and it does more or less the same thing. User accounts and profiles. So you create a user account and you only get access to a certain part of the website if you sign up, right? And secure payments, right? So you can only get to a certain part of the website or certain content on your website, your blog, your podcast, your newsletter, your whatever, right? Your videos, your online course. You can only get to certain parts of your website if you pay for a subscription, right? So, whole lot of fun. I did a video on this a little while ago. If I haven't answered any of your questions on how to build content-focused websites, right, or content-focused businesses, this is how you do it. These tools make it unbelievably easy, and they don't charge you for anything. Memberstack doesn't charge you for anything until you start collecting payments, right? I highly recommend it until it's live on your website at least. So if you need to hide something behind a paywall, if you're making videos, online courses, really anything in that space, or just paid content in any format ever, use Memberstack. It's a really amazing freaking tool. And if you need user logins or you don't even need to charge for anything, just use that. So, yeah, content-focused businesses, content-driven businesses, if you want to build anything in that kind of space, let me know. Memberstack is going to be the key for that. So, let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you on the next episode. Yeehaw. Peace out.